Buying your first home feels like a dream come true.
But one wrong decision can lock you into 20 years of financial pressure.
Many salaried people rush into buying without proper planning.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy your first home, the smart way.
Meet Rahul. He is 29 years old.
He earns 60,000 rupees per month.
Every month, 18,000 rupees goes into rent.
He wants to buy a 45 lakh rupee apartment.
But is he financially ready?
Before buying a house, ask yourself 3 questions.
Do you have at least 6 months of emergency savings?
Is your job stable? Is your job stable?
Do you have 20% down payment ready?
For a 45 lakh house, you need 9 lakh upfront.
Now let's understand the home loan.
If you take 36 lakh rupees loan at 8.5% interest,
your EMI becomes around 31,000 rupees per month.
That's more than 50% of his salary.
EMI should never cross 40% of your income.
The property price is not the final cost.
You must pay stamp duty and registration.
Then comes interior and furnishing.
A 45 lakh flat can actually cost 48 lakh. Location decides future appreciation.
Check schools, hospitals, and connectivity.
Upcoming infrastructure increases value.
If your rent is 18,000 rupees,
and EMI is 31,000.
You must think carefully before deciding.
First, build your down payment. Second, keep emergency funds separate.
Third, compare at least 3 banks.
Buy your home with planning, not pressure.
This video is for educational purposes only.